Hi, Linda Mckenzie here with eXp Realty, and I've got something exciting to share with you. I have problem solved, an age-old problem where you have to sell your home before you buy another home. You kind of lose a little negotiating power there when you put an offer on another house and you tell the seller, oh, one little detail, I got to sell mine first. They go, ha, ha, and they're like, yeah, you're serious. We believe you want our house, but we think we'll keep shopping for other better offers for ourselves. And that's kind of the way it works. But until and unless you know how to do what I have learned to do and share with you guys, whoops, problem solved. Don't you be upside down on your house. In other words, don't get caught in that trap where, all right, honey, we've put a offer on this new house and now we've got to drop the price on our old house so we can get the new house. Don't do that. Get top dollar for your house. Sell it for as much money as you can get, and I can help you do that. And then while at the same time, you move one time from your house to the new house. Your offer on the new house will be all cash. I can show you how to do this. I know you don't believe me. It sounds incredible, but it's true. So call me and I'll give you the scoop and the details. But you can pay cash, which will give you a negotiating power above and beyond all the other competitors for that home that you're looking to buy, the replacement home. You can pay cash for that. And you can still take your time, move out of your old house, move into the new house that you've just made the cash offer on. And you can take your time, move your things. You can prep your old house. You'll have time to let it sit on the market for as many days as the market dictates to get the highest money for your old house. So that way you're not losing a thing. You're not discounting your price on the sale of the old house. And you're able to negotiate perhaps a better price on the new purchase home because you're paying cash. No contingencies upon having to sell your old house. How do you do this? This sounds like wizardry. It's not. It's done. It's done in 2020. I'm making this video in February. And this is the thing I wanted to tell you. Problem solved. You just need a little help in hand. So give me a call. My name is Linda Mckenzie. This program allows you to close quickly in as little as 14 days. Let's see, what else have I not told you? Don't sacrifice your equity, no double moving, no temporary housing. My number is 888-519-5113, extension 164. eXp Realty, the technology and friendly company. And we are loving this product for our people, for our customers, our clients. So give me a call if I can help you liquidate your old one for top dollar and purchase a replacement home for hopefully a really good value since you'll be paying cash. And I look forward to educating you on this program and helping you every step of the way. I have been in business since 1987, so I have a few little years of experience to share. Hope you call me soon. Bye-bye.